Plastic dipping all this right here white. Make it a little bit more aggressive, you know. See how they looking. Just finished it not too long ago, like 5-10 minutes ago. Everything masked up. Finna go ahead, plastic dip it white. Plastic dipping all this right here white. Got the black grill on the way. Plastic is white. Plastic up. I'm not gonna do the actual paint, but got some stuff that came in the mail. Some like fender parts. Over here spray painting now. These are like the lips for that type of style bumper. Make it more look aggressive. Make it a little bit more aggressive, you know. See how they looking. White as well. Yeah, we just setting up shop. Then I'm gonna just put them on. See how they look. If I don't like it, I'm gonna just take it off. Yeah. That's how we're looking so far now. Got that SRT wicker build. Thinking of installing that for real. Just put this lip on. It's supposed to be having this hood on the way, but people tripping talking about they can't ship it to the address I used to pay. It's on my card and not the one I used to ship it to. So they refunded my bread, so now I gotta find another site to go get another hood from. So I think it's called a Mary hood. I don't know, but they on that bull right now. Yeah, it's just a quick update, man, for the video. I'm trying to stay consistent with the YouTube. Yes, this is Chrysler 300 paint. Painted this thing white, then I had the clear coat to it. I'm gonna put everything in the description from where I got everything at too, man. So y'all can just buy it if y'all want to. Got the G over here, looking good still. If y'all ain't know yet, it's my other whip. G37 coupe, all-wheel drive. Put the paddle shifters in there. Put this carbon interior in there. I don't drive it much. So, this thing right here, I would suggest anybody get one of these Infinities, man. 2009 and up, because I had never had any issues with this car, and it's like 202,000 miles on it right now. Never had no issues with it, no overheating, nothing. Like, and boy, if y'all don't know what I'll do with this car meets racing all the fucking time, and it's still running smooth. It's really feel faster than my Chrysler over there, for real. And all they got is a muffler delete. I know y'all gonna be like, oh, you tripping. And it's a light car, first of all, and it's a coupe. I'm trying to tell you that thing, don't sleep on them now. For real. Spray paint this chrome right quick. Pre-spray right here. It's coming out good. Too much. I don't want to do two runs, so do one coat for right now. Try to get all this excess off of this bumper. Everybody probably thinking this ain't no hemi. People in the comments was tripping because of me doing that burnout. It was like, oh no, it don't sound like one and all that. Man, trust me, man, I wouldn't be bullshitting. Say 160 on it, not 140. But let me get back with y'all. Man, everything looking real good. Boom. Alright, y'all. Able to end results with install them to a splitter with bumper. Put the link in the bio where I got them. She dirty, but she looking clean on camera. Painted in white, painted the chrome white. Just finished it not too long ago, like 5-10 minutes ago. Drove up the street, and black at this time. What I did was just screw 2 screws inside. Right there. For the fender well, not the bumper. And on this side, I just screw 1 screw right there. That one right there. No gaps like that. Same thing on the other side. How she looking? How she looking? This was a quick little update. I'll be holding too long, but yep. I'm looking beastie. Real beastie. Thinking of adding this black SRT bottom lip to these white splitters. I'll show y'all that later, but I don't know how that's gonna look with that on there. Then my underglow might cover my front underglow. That's on my car right now. The bottom. So I don't know how that's gonna. Get over here. Come on. Black glue on the kind of like how this chrome looking right now, but let's see how that black look first. Damn, that grill look tough. I like that grill. That grill do look kind of tough. Might just outline this part black and just keep these right here the whole time. Might do that. I can see the headlights. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, get back to y'all guys.